Cooking is not just a job, it's a lifestyle. And that's how we chefs live. We don't clock in and out like everyone else. The kitchen is our world, our rhythm, our heartbeat. When others rest, we prep. When others celebrate, we serve. When others sleep, we clean down and plan for the next day. Because being a chef isn't something you do, it's something you are. Every cut, every burn, every scar, it tells a story of discipline, sacrifice, and love for the craft. We live with sore feet, tired eyes, and hands that smell like garlic and fire, but we wouldn't trade it for anything, because this life, this chaos, it's where we belong. We live through flavors, through the sound of sizzling pans and shouting orders. Our adrenaline isn't from comfort, it's from pressure. We thrive where others break, because passion keeps us standing when the body wants to quit. A chef's lifestyle means missing weekends, birthdays, holidays, but also creating memories for others.